take this moment. Looks like a Led Zeppelin album cover. Really. Tough hiking up here. Well, it's certain death to the left or the right.
Hey, Kit, you stay here with me. Stay here. Kit, you stay here. Whoa, I hope I don't get dizzy.
Uh-oh. No time for vertigo.
Yikes.
Yeah, I better come down there and lift Kit down.
Wow.
Right, boy? Or do you have him? Kit, stay here.
Should I let him up and jump by himself?
No.
I don't know. It kind of makes me nervous.
Here, I'll get him. Or you go down and...
I'll go down and get him.
Wait, lock it.
How do you lock? Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Wait, kitty boy.
My hair keeps blowing in my face and I can't see anything.
Put it up. Huh? Put it up.
Oh my God.
I'll do it. I'll do it. Here, take it. Come on.
Oh, don't trip, bird.
Okay.
Exo man and exo dog.
I got you, Bubby.
Aw,
You can jump off of here if you want.
you're his savior.
Come here. That's scary.
He should have probably done it. We just
Yeah,
don't
he's
know
done
for
it
sure.
before. I'm just scared.
All right, for the record, he's done it before. Yeah. Pretty.
Yeah. Got my horse.
Yeah. Yes, Dad.
What about these?
Jump up and down. Jump up and down.
No.
Payback's a
Mean.
bitch. Pester her. Really pester her.
No junk food. After that exhibit.